Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date at the top of your Scholastic News. Today, you're going to do some word work. Answer the questions about vocabulary words from your issue of Scholastic News. Someone who creates something new is called was it invented, inventor, invention? Who is someone that creates something new? Are they invented? Are they an invented, an inventor, an invention? Check your Scholastic News to help you. Which of these has bristles? And circle it. Is it the ice cream scoop here? Or is it this hairbrush? Which of these has bristles? Again, if you don't know what bristles are, look in your Scholastic News. Question 3. Make the sentence below true. Fill in the blanks with the words invented and inventor where they belong in the sentence. Alfred Crail was an invented or inventor who invented or inventor an ice cream scooper. Alfred Crail was an blank who blank an ice cream scooper. You're just using the words invented and inventor and putting them in the right place. If you need help, look at your Scholastic News. 4. Garrett Morgan invented something that makes driving in cars safer. What was it? Draw it here. So look in your Scholastic News if you don't remember for Garrett Morgan. See what he invented that helped make driving in cars safer and draw me a picture here. Now you're going to be the inventor. Inventors come up with helpful solutions to problems. Look at the problems below. Choose one and design an invention that you think will be a good solution. So we've got 3 problems here. I'll read them in a second. You need to name your invention. What is your invention called? You need to describe how your invention works. And then you need to draw your invention in action right in this box. Okay? So you need to give it a name, you need to describe how it works, and you need to draw it. Here are the 3 problems. You only have to pick one and come up with an invention to solve it. Problem 1. You and your friends keep falling off the monkey bars because they are too slippery. What can you do? Problem 2. Something important is stuck under the refrigerator. Oh, I've been there. You can see it, but you can't reach it. What can you do? Problem 3. The class goldfish needs to be fed over the weekend, but no one is in school to feed them. What can you do? So, boys and girls, pick one of those 3 problems, come up with something to solve the problem, name it, describe it, draw it. I can't wait to see what you invent. Also, make sure that you circle which problem it was that you're selecting. Forgot to mention that. And then put your papers in finished work bin when you're done.